Welcome to Power of SEO, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of viral content on YouTube. In today's episode, we're about to unveil the secrets to making your YouTube video go viral, with a special focus on the American audience. If you've ever wondered how to capture the hearts and screens of viewers in the USA, you're in for a game-changing ride. Let's dive right in. Segment 1: Crafting Shareable Content. Host. Our journey begins with the core of virality, crafting content that people can't resist sharing. Visuals, showcase shareable YouTube videos. Host. I'll reveal the elements that make a video shareable and delve into the psychology behind why people hit that share button. Segment 2: Mastering the First 48 Hours. Host. The first 48 hours are crucial. Let's talk about strategies to maximize impact right out of the gate. Visuals, explain the importance of the initial view and engagement surge. Host. Learn how to generate buzz and engagement in those critical first hours after uploading your video. Segment 3: Leveraging Trends and Timing. Host. Trends and timing can be your best friends. Let's explore this important aspect. Visuals, discuss how to identify and ride on trending topics. Host. I'll show you how to identify trends and perfect the timing of your video releases to sync with what's hot in the USA. Segment 4: Crafting Attention-Grabbing Thumbnails and Titles. Host. Thumbnails and titles matter more than you think. Let's dive into their significance. Visuals, showcase effective thumbnails and titles. Host. Discover how to create captivating thumbnails and click-worthy titles that entice American viewers. Segment 5: Building Buzz Through Promotion. Host. Promotion is key to going viral. Let's discuss promotional strategies. Visuals, highlight methods to promote your video. Host. I'll share strategies for getting your video in front of a wider American audience, including using social media, influencers, and more. Segment 6: Engaging with your audience. Host. Engaging with your audience is paramount. Let's explore audience engagement strategies. Visuals, showcase methods to engage with viewers. Host. Learn how to create a community around your content, respond to comments, and interact with your American viewers effectively. Host. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make your YouTube video go viral in the USA. Remember, viral success can be unpredictable, but with the right strategies and dedication, you can increase your chances of hitting it big. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more viral content tips and insights. Thanks for tuning in to Power of SEO, and we'll see you in our next episode. Feel free to adapt and personalize this script to match your channel's style and format. You can also include specific examples and case studies related to viral videos in the USA to make the content more informative and engaging for your audience.
Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, it's even getting hot. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit.